Why'd I do that, guys? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. We're equal gear, and I beat him without equal gear, so I should be able to beat him. No! I got Evelyn Kit comboed. Oh no, guys. Oh no. Dude. No. No. Oh no. Dude. Alright, guys. I'm gonna buy diamond sword. Forgot, bro. Oh, that just halted all of our expedition progress, you colonizers. British. Alright, guys. As you can see, he says he can fend me off his iron armor. Yeah, I say. Man. I'm taunting you. Alright, I'm just gonna wait till he starts eating popcorn. This is crazy. No! I thought I killed him! I thought I killed him! Oh my god. Bro, I sold so bad right there. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, guys. I don't know. Do I go for the iron armor just so I have better equipment? Yeah, I should. Is he gonna rush me? Hey, bro, come on, bro. Bro, come on. No, he's not. He's gonna go for diamond armor. Alright. He's gonna get diamond sword, diamond armor. So, yeah, it was the right play. Alright, guys, let's go. Alright, 4 emeralds. That's halfway to diamond armor. Alright, I'm not gonna rush him again. I'm gonna sit this one out. This is probably gonna be a long game. I don't know if I'm gonna win this, guys. He left? Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, I'm sorry, guys. Warning. Don't look, guys. Guys, I'm so sorry. Don't look. Oh my god. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, we did it.